Hello everybody, hope you are doing well. Well, today we are going to be implementing the video screen, this one, with all the video and everything. So let's start coding, and first thing we go to our video folder. Let's create a new group. Let's call it view, and inside our group we will create a new file. It will be a swiftui view, and I'm going to call it video view. And here let's create a navigation view, and inside my navigation view I will have a scroll view, and as always with a scroll view, dot scroll indicators of dot hidden. And here let's add our toolbar, and as always I hate this one, I prefer it this way. And let's create a toolbar item with dot top bar leading, and here we will have our text, which will be video with a font of dot title and the font weight of bold. And then we will have another toolbar item. This one will be dot top bar trailing, and we will have an A tag with a spacing of 16. We will have image, system name, and let me check, it's this one, it's person.fill. And the second one, it will be an image, system name, and it will be magnifying glass. And as always, of course, a font weight of dot bold. Okay, perfect. Now inside our scroll view, we will start with this one. It's an A stack, so not an A stack, a V stack with an alignment of dot leading and the spacing of 24. Okay, as you can see, this one is a scrollable, so it will be a scroll view that will be horizontal. So here we will have a scroll view with dot horizontal. Inside it I will have an A stack with a spacing of 24. Perfect, I think. And here I will have this text, which will be text for you. Okay, and two things we can see. The first one, I will have a padding here, which will clearly be vertical, and I have a padding of dot leading. I don't have, it won't be horizontal because I don't have a padding in trailing, but I have a padding dot leading. So to my scroll view, I will apply dot padding of dot leading, and to the entire V stack, I will apply a padding of dot vertical. Hopefully everything will be perfectly now. Okay, and here I will have a font of dot headline. Okay, and for some reason I don't know why. Okay, I made a little mistake. No, I didn't make. It's just a bird. Check if there is any problem, because it's, to be honest, it's a little bit strange. Okay, clear, it was a bug in the preview. Okay, with the font weight of dot semi-bold, a foreground style of dot blue, a background of color dot system gray 5, and we will give it a padding of dot horizontal and a padding of dot vertical of 7 and the clip shape of rounded rectangle with corner radius of 30. Okay, perfect, beautiful, very similar. Now we will implement the 4 of these, so it will be text, which will be live, it will be a font of dot headline, a font weight of dot semi-bold, and the foreground style of dark gray, so color dot dark gray. Okay, perfect. And as you can see, it doesn't make sense to do the same thing for gaming, reels, and following. So the best way is to implement a view modifier. So let's take this and go to our component under view modifiers and create a new file. Let's make it a Swift file. I will call it video option view modifier. Okay, perfect. Let's import SwiftUI, and here let's have a struct of video option view modifier of type view modifier, and let's call our body, and here it will be content, and we paste the code that we just copied there, and now let's add a struct. It will be, or not a struct, sorry, an extension of a view, and here we will create a new function. I will take this one, just change the uppercase in here by lowercase, and it will return some view. And here I will just write modifier, and it will be video option view modifier. And some of you may be asking themselves why I'm not writing return, because it's just one line. When it's just one line, you don't need to write return. It's the same. I can, for example, write return modifier, but it's the same this way. It's just a little bit cleaner with lesser code. So now here we delete this and we replace it with the modifier we just created, video option view modifier. Okay, perfect. We will copy this 3 times. And now we will write the second one will be gaming. Perfect. The third one will be reels. And the last one will be following. Okay, perfect. I think it's beautiful. Now inside my V stack, after my A stack, I will just add the divider. Okay, perfect. And it's very similar to the one we have here. Okay, now we need to add to implement this, and something very interesting here. If you go to feed, you can see that our post view is probably the same as our video view. The only difference is this one is a video and this one is an image. So it doesn't make sense to re-implement everything when we got a component that is already implemented. And if you do remember, if we go to our component under view, we got something called post view. We will use it. So here, after dot padding dot vertical, let's make a for each for 0 to 3. And here I will use my post view. So let's use post view. Okay, and something that I don't like is to keep passing this Facebook blue. It doesn't make any sense. So let's get rid of it. let me search Facebook Blue. Okay, let's take this one. Okay, and now when we go to our post view, and here I will add private var Facebook Blue, so we don't need Facebook Blue anymore. And I will be adding, as you can see, it's a question, it's an image or a video. So I will also add private var is video of type boolean. Okay, and here I will take this, replace Facebook Blue, I don't need it anymore, by is video, and here it will be self.is video equal is video. Okay, perfect. And here I will just replace post view is video, I will give it true. Let's make a spacing here. Now I got a few errors, of course, because I use it to pass is Facebook Blue. Now it will be is video, so here it will be is video, and by default I will make it false. Okay, I still think there are a few ones to correct, like this one, it will be by default false, or this one also it will be by default false. Now hopefully they are all implemented. So now if I go to my video view, hopefully I will see the post view. Okay, perfect. Now the only thing missing between this and my video is, as you can see, I got a video, it's now an image, I need to replace it. So I will go to my post view, and you see this image, I will have other condition. If not is video, in that case, so show me this image. Else, which means, so if is video is true, in that case, I want to use first thing, I forgot, we need to import avkit. Okay, and here I will add a video player. I will give him a player. It will be a Navi player with a URL, and here it will be if let URL equals URL type string, and I will give him, I will go to this GitHub repository. I will just copy this link just for testing purposes. Okay, and inside the if let, if the URL is valid, I will pass the URL. Okay, now hopefully everything will be working, but it won't be working. Before I go here, I need to go to my playlist, and here I will click on plus, go to app transport security settings, and I need to allow arbitrary loads. Sorry, it's difficult to pronounce. Okay, I need to allow arbitrary loads. I set it to yes. Now hopefully if I go to my video view, now hopefully everything will be working perfectly. Let's hope so, at least. Okay, and strange enough, for some reason it seems it's not showing, so let's see why. Let's just refresh in case it's a problem with the preview. Okay, still the same, so let's go to our post view. Okay, I know, I think why. Okay, I think I know why. Let me check. Yes, I know why. I need to give it a frame. I will give it a height of 400. So now hopefully when I go to video view, hopefully now it will be working. At least let's hope so, finger crossed. If I click on it, okay, perfect. It's showing the video, it's perfect, it's the way I want it. It's still different from the one in the complete tab, because in the complete tab, as you can see, it's very different, because as you can see, it's taking all the frame, not like here where there is space between the video. And the reason is, here I'm implementing a custom video player. Here I'm using the one by default. We will be implementing the custom one later when we implement the view models. But anyway, for now I will also start. And also something else is, if I wasn't in the app and I was entering, the first video will start automatically. I don't need to click on it like on Facebook, but here it doesn't start automatically. But anyway, like I said, when I start implementing the view models, I will implement a custom video player to show you how to implement it in a different way, or a different approach to implementing it. But for now, I'm happy with the progress we did. Maybe one thing is, you see this VStack, I prefer to extract subview and to refactor, rename. I will call it video option view. And to be honest, my video option view, I will create a separate file here, so it will be a new file, a SwiftUI view. I will call it video option view, and here I will go and take all this code. I will cut the code and paste it here, and hopefully everything will still be working perfectly the way it should be. Okay, perfect, I think. It's still working the way I want it to be working. Okay, in the next video I will start implementing the login screen and the sign up screen, and when I'm done with that, I will start implementing my models, view models, and then integrating Firebase. So anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, and if you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe. And as always, stay safe, stay healthy, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.